just know what I want. All I need is, all I want is your love. Into your mind. Somehow I turned this all off. And then I met him and he wasn't true. And then I dropped my head thinking, what should I do?